The Dassault Mirage F1 was developed in the late 1960s and officially entered service in 1973 with the French Air Force. Unlike the earlier delta-wing Mirage III, the Mirage F1 used a swept-wing design, giving it better low-speed handling, shorter takeoff and landing capability, and improved agility in dogfights. It was powered by a single Snecma Ottar 9K50 turbojet engine with afterburner, producing up to 70.6 kilonewtons of thrust, allowing it to reach speeds of Mach 2.2 and operate at altitudes above 65,000 feet. The aircraft was built as a versatile multirole fighter capable of interception, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. It carried a Cyrano for pulse Doppler radar, giving it all-weather and beyond visual range combat capability, and was armed with two internal 30mm Dassault cannons. For air combat, it could fire Matra R530 Super 530 Magic missiles, and later modernized versions used AIM-9 sidewinders. For ground attack, it carried bombs, rockets, guided munitions, and exocet anti-ship missiles, making it highly adaptable. France used the Mirage F1 in multiple combat roles, including missions in Chad, the Gulf War, and operations in Africa. Its real global fame came from exports. Over 720 Mirage F1s were produced, and more than a dozen countries operated them. It became a backbone fighter for Iraq, Morocco, South Africa, Spain, Greece, Jordan, and Ecuador. The Mirage F1 saw combat in several wars. Iraq used it in the Iran-Iraq War and the Gulf War. Morocco employed it during the Western Sahara conflict, and South Africa used it in the Border War. Despite being gradually replaced by newer jets like the Mirage 2000 and later the Rafale, the Mirage F1 had an unusually long service life. Some were modernized with advanced avionics, and even after France retired them in 2014, they found a second life. The United States acquired several ex-French and ex-Spanish Mirage F1 South for use as adversary aircraft in training programs, showing the design's enduring value. The Mirage F1 stands out as a highly successful export fighter, bridging the gap between the classic Mirage III and the more advanced Mirage 2000, leaving a legacy of versatility, ruggedness, and combat-proven effectiveness across many air forces worldwide.